Sa panahon kasi ngayon, yung mga tao, they spend more time watching people who already have the results that they're looking for versus actually learning how to get there. I'm saying this with all the love in the world, but kaya naha-hype yung mga nagga-hype ng freelancing because tayo as consumers din ng contents nila, hina-hype natin sila. So in short, people are more interested in watching and supporting yung mga tao na they would phrase it as parang, namimigay ito ng free learning materials, nakaw naman yung free learning materials. Pagkatapos, they do not even recognize the fact that this person is just there for clout, for fame, and to hype up freelancing. As a result, people think na madali lang ang VA, kaya ang dami nagre-reklamo bakit ang hirap makapasok. I don't know when I flip the switch, but napakaraming content creators na mas valuable yung binibigay na contents kesa dun sa mga naha-hype ngayon. And because of that, people are thinking na as long as makuha ko tong free resources na to, sundin ko lang yung free resources, magiging freelancer ako, and no. With that in mind, one thing that parang malaki yung naging impact sa akin was when I started surrounding myself with people who are actually doing it, who are making it, people who already made it, kumbaga. So, instead of spending so much time consuming contents with people na alam ko naman na just here for clout, just here to for influence and power, I started following those people who are posting valuable contents. And then I surrounded myself with winners. Alam ko napaka-cliche, no? Parang ang corny nga. Ngayon ko lang na-realize ang corny imikin, pero I surrounded myself with people who are already successful in their field para matuto ako sa kanila. And one of the groups that I have is the Personal Learning Network. Meaning, iba-iba kami ng ginagawa sa buhay. Some of us are pretty new in the industry and some of us has been there longer than me. And then I started learning from each and every one of them. Without the pressure na mararamdaman mo kapag ka ikaw ay, let's say for example, nasa isang mentorship class. Kasi pag nasa mentorship class ka, automatic yung brain mo, it's wired na, hindi, I'm just here to learn and not, have fun. This was also the time that I started attending networking events, which, guys, believe me, nung unang panahon, ang iniisip ko, why will I spend this amount of money to go to a party? You guys remember, di ba? SMM Bootcamp, Passionate Creators, and then Likha. These events changed my life. I've met so many talented people na parang, okay, maganda pala yun. Uy, ito pala dapat yung atake pag ganito. Ganon. Kasi iba pa rin yung feeling na nakakausap mo harap-harapan yung tao. You get to ask questions that are specific to your freelancing journey. Versus nanonood ka lang ng mga tao na puro hype, puro flex na nakabili ng ganito. Tapos, hindi mo naman alam kung paano silang nakarating from point A to point B. Now anyway, if you guys are interested to learn kung paano nga ba, how these networking events are helping freelancers like myself grow. The World of Search SEO conference just opened its doors not just to SEO experts but also to freelancers, VA agency owners, or yung mga aspiring pa lang na matuto and wants to be exposed na sa ano nga ba ang nangyayari sa loob ng industriya. And dahil marami nga nagjo-join, nag-move sila from Heritage Hotel to now the SMX Convention Center in Manila. Guys, sa katapusan na to so Diyos ko naman, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-join, what if halimbawa lang naman? So imagine this, 4 days ng live event, 4,000 pesos lang, let me tell you how. First, pumunta muna kayo dito sa website na to, i-type nyo na lang sa inyong, sa inyong screen. Pagkatapos, dun sa coupon, ilagay nyo BloggyMary20. I-a-apply na niya lahat ng promo code. Like, I think meron na, naka-off pa sila. At pagkatapos, meron pa siyang additional 20 off. Parang ganon. But anyway, kinuwenta ko, 4,000 pesos lang talaga. 4-day event na yon. So, you get to attend yung live conference. You get to learn from experts. You get to meet different people in different industries sa freelancing. And please take note, marami dong mga VA agency owners. I mean, who would be the best people to surround yourself with than the winners? Ngayon, ang challenge ko sa inyo is ganito. Ikaw ba ay mananatiling consumer ng contents na nandyan lang para mang-hype or para sa clout? Or is this going to be that moment na mag-decide ka na pagod ka ng manood ng success ng iba, it's time to start your own? Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!